Hello first years, this is maths class. Welcome back to your maths class 1B. Yesterday we discussed the 3 forms of straight line. That means completely we finished all the 5 forms of straight line equations. And I have given one homework question also. So I think you got the answer for that homework question. So now we will solve today in this class, we will solve some exercise problems of straight line. So first exercise, actually straight lines is a third chapter. First chapter is locus and second chapter is translation of axis. They are 4 marks topics and this one is little bit lengthy and little bit important. That's why we started this straight lines. So suppose third chapter first exercise means 3A. Next exercise 3B, next exercise 3C, like that. So we are doing first exercise problems, 3A problems, some problems from the exercise today we will do in this class. So first come to find the condition for the points these to be collinear. So first question, what is the given information to us? First, it is given points are. What are the given points? One is A comma 0 and B is H comma K. C point is 0 comma B or collinear. It is given in the question only, collinear. What is the meaning of collinear? Collinear, lying on the same line, are called collinear points. Suppose here your A, here your B, here your C. These are called collinear points, lying on same line. If 3 points are lies or 3 points are on the same line, they lies on same line, they are called collinear points. So here it is given that already these points are collinear. Find the condition they are asking. So come on, if they are collinear, condition is, what is the condition? Slope of AB is equals to slope of BC. So what is the formula for slope of 2 points or slope of AB is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. It is a formula for slope of a line when 2 points are given to you. So slope of AB, so this is one point, this is another point, x1, y1, right? This is x2, y2. So slope of AB, y2 minus y1, it is k minus 0 by x2 minus x1, h x2 minus x1 is equal to slope of BC. So now you consider this one as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now this is the line. So we have to take y2 minus y1, b minus y1. What is y1? K. Now this one by x2 minus x1, 0 minus x1 is h. So what is this? K by h minus a is equal to b minus k by minus h. Cross multiplication, right? So minus h k is equal to h minus a into b minus k. Open the brackets first with h, hb minus hk minus ab minus of minus plus. This side we are having minus hk. Minus hk cancels. Now bring this one this side. It is ab is equal to hb plus ak. Send is dividing both sides with AB, or send this AB that side. We will get 1 is equal to HB by AB and AK by AB. So B cancel, A cancel. So what is the condition? H by A, K by B is equal to 1 is the required condition. So what is the first question? Find the condition for these points to be collinear. So first of all, write down what is the given information to you, right? So given points are collinear points. So whenever collinear points, condition is slope of AB is equal to slope of BC, and slope formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Substitute and simplify. This is the condition when the 2 points are collinear. Now come to the second question. Find the value of x if the slope of the line passing through those 2 points is 2. So now we are solving the second question. Find the value of x if the slope of the line passing through these 2 points. A point is given to you, B point is given to you, and slope is given as 2. So come on, write down what is the given information to us. Slope of AB is equal to, it is given as 2, where A is equal to, A point is given as 2, 5, and B point is given as x, 3. We have to find x value here. So slope, you know the formula, slope of the line is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So you consider this as x1, y1, this as your x2, y2. So what is given? That slope of the line is given to us is equal to 2. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to 2. y2 is 3 minus y1, what is y1? 5 by x2 is x minus x1 is 2 is equal to 2. So 3 minus 5 minus 2 by x minus 2 is equal to 2. 2 cancels. So here minus 1 is equal to x minus 2. We want x value. So minus 1, bring this value to this side. This is minus. It comes this side. It becomes positive. X is equal to 2 minus 1. So x is equal to 1. That's all your second question. So what is the second question? Find the value of x if the slope of the line joining passing through these 2 points is 2. So we got our x value as 1. Now we will go to the third question. So read the third question. Find the value of y if the line passing through these points and parallel to the line joining these 2 points. That means here 2 lines are parallel given to us. In that one unknown value is there. We have to find that unknown value. What is that unknown value? Y is given in one point. If you observe in this, right, we'll consider this as A, this as B, this as C, this as D. So in our A point, unknown value is y. We have to find that y variable, y value here. Okay, so here what is the given information to us? The line AB, the line passing through AB is parallel to the line passing through CD. This is the given information to us. So come on, we are solving which question? Third question we are solving. Okay, so given that line AB is parallel to line CD. So if two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal, implies slope of AB is equals to slope of CD, where A is equal to, what is our A point, 3, 5, B is equal to 2, 7, 3, Y, not 5, C is, what is C point, minus 1, 4, and D point 0, 6. So for AB, you consider this as x1, y1, x2, y2. For CD, you consider this as x1, y1, x2, y2. You know the slope between two points, right? What is the formula for slope of AB? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2, that is 7 minus y by x2 minus 2 minus 3 is equal to same slope of CD, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, 6 minus 4 by 0 minus of minus 1 plus 1. 7 minus y by minus 1 is equal to, this is 2 by 1. So cross multiplication. So 7 minus y is equal to minus 2. We have to find which value? Y value. Find the value of y. So 7, bring this side, plus 2 is equal to, this is negative value. If we bring this side, it becomes positive. So y is equal to 9. We got the third question. Third question is, if the line passing through AB parallel to the line passing through CD, then find the value of y. That means here one point, in this A point, one variable is given as unknown value. That means y coordinate is given unknown. We have to find that value by using which concept? If the two lines are parallel, then slopes must be equal. So we have taken slope of AB is equal to slope of CD. And what is the formula for slope? Formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That formula we used while finding the slope of AB as well as while finding the slope of CD. So this is your third question. Now we will solve the fourth question. See the fourth question. What is the fourth question? Find the equation of the straight line passing through the horizon, right, and making equal angles with the coordinate axis. We have to find, actually generally find the equation of the straight line or equation of the line, but here equations of straight lines is given to us. That means this condition can be satisfied by two or more line equations. Find the equations of straight lines passing through the horizon and making equal angles with the coordinate axis. So we will see through the diagram how it is possible. So we will solve the fourth question. Observe carefully. This is your coordinate axis. We have to find one line which passing through the horizon and makes equal angle with the coordinate axis. So if you observe, here it will be 45, here it will be 45. Why like that? So see, this is 90 degrees. So exactly if we take the line like this, then it makes equal angle with the coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis. So one line is like this, and another line also we can draw like this. So this is another line which also passes through the horizon as well as makes equal angles with x. This is x, this is y, equal angles with x and y axis. So here two cases are there. Find the equations of the straight lines which passes through the horizon and makes equal angles with the coordinate axis. So these are the two line equations we have to find. So this is one line which passes through the horizon and makes an angle 45 degrees with the x-axis. This is first line, you call it as L1. And another line also satisfies, that is you take it as L2. And it also makes an angle 0, 0, and with the x-axis it makes an angle 135 degrees. This is your straight line. On this straight line, this angle is called 180 from there to there, but we are taking from here to here, here 45. So 135 plus 45, 180. So two lines are satisfying our conditions. What are the conditions? Line must passes through the horizon 0, 0, and it must make an angle, this angle 45 with the x-axis, and another line makes an angle 135. So two cases are there. First we will take case 1. So in this case 1, line passes through 0, 0 and makes an angle. What is the angle? Theta is equal to 45 degrees with the x-axis. So whenever theta is given, we can find its slope. M is equal to tan theta is equal to, it is tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. So we can easily find the line equation if point is given to us. This is x1, y1, and we got the slope as 1, right? So equation of straight line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 0 is equal to 1 into x minus 0. So y minus 0 is equal to 1 into x minus 0 is x only. Y minus 0, y. Y is equal to x. Generally first we will write x, then we will write y. So x minus y is equal to 0 is the first line. This is our first line, L1, right? So it passes through the horizon 0, 0, and it makes an angle 45 degrees. Another line, see, this is the second case. This line also passes through horizon and it makes an angle 135 degrees. Now we will find that second line equation. This is your first line equation. What is that? First line is L1 is equal to 0. Now you take your case 2. In this case 2, line passes through horizon only, but angle made by that line, this line guys, angle made by this line with the x-axis from here to here is 135. So whenever theta is given, we have to find the slope is equal to tan theta. So is equal to tan 135 is equal to, how we can write, tan 90 plus 45. By your trigonometry knowledge, this is 0 here, 90 degrees. So this is 90 plus theta, some angle, so theta. So this is 90 plus theta. This is in second quadrant. The value is in second quadrant. When value is in second quadrant, only sine and cosec are positive, remaining are negative. We are having tan, that's why we will get negative. Now come to the ratio, right? So for 90 plus theta, ratio changes, tan changes to cot of the angle. Cot of the angle means cot 45 is equal to, cot 45 value is 1. So you got your m value, you got your theta value. We can find the line equation. Whenever we know the slope, whenever we know the point, we can take the line equation in slope point form. So equation of straight line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1, so we will consider this as x1, this as y1. So 0 is equal to m, we got it as minus 1 and x minus 0. So y minus 0 is y and minus 1, x minus 0 is x. So y is equal to minus x. But in a straight line, first x term should come and it should be positive. So bring this side, x plus y is equal to 0 is the required line equation. So this is our fourth question. So find the equation of the equations of the straight lines which passes through the horizon and makes equal angles with the coordinate axis. There you can ask the question, madam, you are taking one angle as 45, one angle as 135 and here making equal angles with the coordinate axis. Girls, observe carefully. First we have taken this line. This is your L1. It makes equal angle 45 degrees with x-axis, equal angle 45 degrees with y-axis. Next I have taken another line like this. This is your L2. Here also this line makes 45 degrees with the x-axis and 45 degrees with the y-axis. But while taking the slope of the line, we have to take the angle from here to here. While taking the second line's slope, what is the formula of slope? Angle made by the line with the x-axis. So we have to take this angle. That's why it is 135. But both lines intersects x and y equally. Both makes equal angles with x and y axis. This line cuts 45 degrees with y and x. This line also cuts 45 degrees with x and y. Okay, but while taking the slope, right, if we want to find the m, we have to take m is equal to tan theta. But that angle must be angle made by this line with the x-axis. From here to here we have to take. That's why for the second line the angle is 135 degrees. So practice all these 4 problems. We will do some more problems from this exercise tomorrow. And don't forget to practice the problems. That's all for today. Have a nice day.